Today we are sharing a tour of our stateroom on board Prince's newest ship, Discovery. This balcony stateroom is located mid-aft on Deck 12, Aloha. It is a Category BB. Our fare was $1,059 per person. Trip insurance was $84.72 per person. Taxes and port fees were $145 per person, and our transfers between the airport and the ship were $68 per person. For a total of $2,713.44. We were also gifted, because of previously canceled cruises, free gratuities, the free sodas and more drink package, and free Wi-Fi. We feel like this is a fair price for this 7-day cruise that included our room, meals, entertainment, and once we left port, spectacular views. In the comments, we'd love to know your favorite cruise ship. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.